Bonjour gamers, this is Nito King and welcome to SCP Containment Breach. This is a bit of an oldie but a goodie game. I've been really into SCPs lately, and they're really interesting. I think they're fascinating. And, there's plenty of games about them, but probably, arguably, the most popular is SCP Containment Breach. This is supposed to be a scary game. Obviously, it's a scary game. It's a horror game. But I should be fine. It's kind of dark in here, but you know what? It's fine. So let's just get into it. So don't blink. It's Euclid. Is it Euclid? Euclid. Sentia and Violet. Look at that scary fucker right there. Oh shit. Okay. This is the farthest I've gone in this game. Go down this way. Is that it? Yeah, this is it. Shit. It's locked too. God damn it. How do you get out? Was there I mean, the game's called Containment Breach. I'm assuming there's a full ass Containment Breach. But, who got out? How many SCPs are around here? Oh. Hello. Hello. What the fuck are you? You're T-posing. Something is growing all over your body. Oh, is it now? Ear-like organs are growing all over your body. Oh, okay. Can't breathe. Oh, okay. Oh, alright. We're gonna go this way. Looks safe. Fuck, I die. Okay. Let's go back to where I was previously. Oh, shit. Oh, he killed me. Alright. Well, I did the best I could. Feed me. Alright, well, we're gonna go this way. This time. Because this place seems safe. Caution. Administered. Alright, well, we're not gonna go that way. We're gonna go this way. Hi. Oh, you dumb. Is it I think it's active. Alright, we're not gonna go that way. Oh, key card. Okay, well, alright, well, does this lady have a key card, on her? I don't really want to... Fuck. We're not trying going, right this time. Does that work? I don't really know, what I'm supposed to be doing here. I know I'm supposed to be escaping. It's, the main, idea. But, escaping to where? How do I get there? We're just going to kind of figure our shit out as we go. I don't really know where he wants me to report to. Oh, this dumbass again. Alright, well. Alright, I guess we're going to have to go into the room with the red light. That's definitely not fucking terrifying. Cool. I have some sort of, labyrinth in this place. This is a good place to have a labyrinth. Right in the middle of a science facility. Whatever you classify this place as. Oh, this is a bad idea. Maybe this goes up. Ooh, this feels like down. Ooh, it's down here. Huh. What is that? Oh, it's okay. Well, no, we're not going here. Alright, no. We're going back up. Sorry. I'm not showing myself to no one. I don't care what SCP. It could be SCP-999. I'm not showing myself to no one. That sounds kind of rapey. Achievement unlock the architect. Checkpoint lockdown. SCP-008. Oh, what? That's a bear. Who are you? Hello, this is me while I'm editing. I just wanted to point out the fact that I lost a little bit of the recording, so I needed to kind of explain what was happening. I invited my friend. I got him into a call because he's played this game before, and he's also into SCPs and this game. And he was going to help me around a little bit, and then I started hearing weird noises as soon as he started helping me, and that's the context. There was a little bit where I got scared by some noises. They were duck noises. I don't know what they were. No one knows what they were. What was that Discord noise? Is that you? SCP Discord? Fuck. If I hear the duck noise, I'm leaving. I'm out.
The duck noise.
Or the screaming noise that I also heard.
Dude, I don't know what's wrong with the duck noise.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know if it was specifically a duck, but it sounded like quack. It was fucking weird. Shut up. Right now, I'm literally just ghost bustering for noises. That! You're fucking with me, right?
Oh, dude. I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm just laughing because you keep hearing noises. You're like, that right there. That.
Okay, hello again, everybody. I have a piece of shit friend who wanted to play baby screaming noises while I was trying to play a horror game. Because he's an asshole. But now he's gonna actually help me and stop playing really loud noises during my video.
Alright guys, audience, alright, cheer if you want noises and boo if you don't. Let's go. Alright. I'll help you, don't worry.
So now he's gonna actually look up a walkthrough and help me when I need it, instead of being a cunt. Is what the agreement we've come to.
Yes.
What's the objective I'm looking for? What am I looking for?
To win?
I don't.
That's some machine where you put it in one end and it comes out the other better. Oh, shit, what is that?
This is the elevator that guy went into.
Damn, that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, nice teddy bear
There's
again.
that Teddy Con.
That's a good name for him.
Teddy Con.
Yeah, so that's nice. Is it a noise you're making, or is that like
I'm
an
not
act?
making a noise right now.
So the bug noise is either in game or from your mic.
Oh, okay. Now you're gonna be paranoid every time you hear something, aren't you?
Very.
Oh, well, I mean, you are already paranoid every time you hear something, and that's natural.
I really don't like this right now. I really don't.
Oh, that's 173.
What do I do? What do I do? Do I just run? Well, I was panicking and I didn't know whether I should run or not, and I was asking you, but you couldn't hear me because you lagged out. And then I blinked automatically, and he's gone, and now I'm paused because I'm really scared.
Oh shit. Yo,
And
you just loaded an older game.
that's what I'm gonna do.
It is spooky.
There it is, 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 and there's the red thing that made me die earlier. Fuck.
Oh.
There was also a red thing in there that made me die earlier. Thank you for watching this video. Caius also thanks you, I'm sure. Do you want me to link your channel or not?
No, I'm okay.
Alright, he doesn't want his channel to be linked, so don't look it up. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you some other time. Goodbye.